Alright, people. We're going here at the Dollar Tree and see what kind of finds we can find on the Hot Wheels line. Do a little peg hunting. I come out, I'll show you what I found. See you in a minute. Yes, sir. Just left the Dollar Tree. Got a pretty good selection in there. Get back to the house, I'll show them to you. See you in a minute. Oh, Hot Wheel lovers. Get to the house. The Dollar Tree bag. My car. Let's see what was in there. Ah, Hot Wheel lovers. Just dump our Dollar Tree finds, our pig hunting. We'll get them in the crate. Let's see what we got. All right, first up, we got a 83 Chevrolet Silverado, square body truck. I like these old trucks. 62 fleet size is my favorite, but I like these too. So yeah, I'm glad I found that one. And I got a 55 Chevy Bel Air gasser called the Tri-5 Terror. If you like gassers, I do. Then I got a Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7. Then I got a Dodge Viper RT 10 convertible. And I got another gasser, which is a 62 Corvette gasser. Then I got a Toyota Land Cruiser, which happens to be a treasure hunt. Look at there. I didn't even notice it. See the symbol on the back? Yeah, that's pretty good. And then I got an 84 Pontiac Firebird. Got T-tops. And I got a Solera GT. Pretty cool looking exotic car. And I got an 84 Mustang SVO. I got a 72 Corvette Stingray convertible. Pretty good detail on it. Oh, and then last, oh yeah, got a 69 Chevy GT 500. And look on the front fender. It's a super treasure hunt. So I got a treasure hunt and a super treasure hunt. That's call that a pretty good hunt at the Dollar Tree. Pretty good hunt at the Dollar Tree. I'm glad. But anyway, check out my other videos at 164 Scale Racing, please. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys later. Bye.